Don't throw away old computers before you take the fans out. You can use them for all sorts of things. They're quiet, directional, and don't need a lot of power. You can control their speed and run them with a USB cable. You can find them in old computers either attached to heat sinks or cooling a power supply. Let's hack a computer fan and a USB cable together, and then look at how we can control the speed of the fan. Level 1. Cut the end off a USB cable and strip the sleeve with a knife. Be careful to only cut through the outside. You should find a red and a black wire inside. Cut the other ones off and strip the ends of the red and black wires. If you've got access to a multimeter, you can check the voltage across these two wires to make sure that these are the power cables. If you don't, it's not a blocker. Chances are the red one is positive 5 volts and the black one goes to ground. Your computer fan will have similarly colored wires attached to the little plug bit. Poke the red into the red and the black into the black. Plug it in. The fan should spin. Level 1 complete. You can tape the wires up and now you've got a simple little portable fan. Level 2. The fan is quite slow and there's no way to control the speed. Maybe that's fine for you. But let's mess with it some more. First, let's get techers. The reason it's slow is because USB provides 5 volts and the fan can take up to 12 volts. We need a way to give it higher voltage. This kind of power supply lets you set the voltage. Some go up to 12 or 18 volts. This one goes up to 24 volts. If you go higher than 12 volts, you could damage the fan. Changing the voltage changes the speed and the volume of the fan. At 12 volts, the fan is running at full speed. Level 3. This design isn't very good because there are only a few speeds available and it's not running on USB power. It uses a power supply that costs about 20 notes, not cheap. An alternative is to use one of these. These are called boost converters. You can buy them on eBay or AliExpress. They're quite cheap, especially if you buy them in a pack. Check the specifications. You want to be able to boost the voltage from 5 volts to 12 volts. Some of them even have micro USB connectors. If you use that kind, you don't even need to cut the end off the USB cable. Make sure you get a boost converter which boosts voltage and not a buck converter that lowers voltage. If we connect the multimeter and turn the little screw, we can see that the voltage goes up and down. Now let's put it in line between our 5 volt USB power and our 12 volt fan. Now as we turn the screw, the fan speed changes and we can accurately get the desired airflow and noise level. Remember, don't go too high or you could burn out the fan. Level 3 complete. I'm also adding a switch which I'm attaching with cable ties to switch the fan on and off. What's next? This fan design has some limitations. The screw you turn is tiny and you need a screwdriver to turn it. Also, it would be quite easy to give it too much power and burn out the fan. Next time we'll fix those problems and add a control like this to change the speed by hand. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that video. Happy hacking!